In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Twitch activity feed in OBS Studio. The Twitch activity feed is a live panel inside OBS that shows events like new followers, subs, raids, gift subs, and more, so you can thank people in real time without leaving your streaming software. Let's set it up together so it's visible every time you go live. Start by opening OBS Studio. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version for the most reliable Twitch integration. Once OBS is open, head to Settings, then click the Stream tab. This is where OBS knows which platform you're streaming to and where it unlocks platform-specific docs. In the Stream tab, connect your Twitch account. Click the option to connect, sign in through the browser window that appears, and authorize OBS. This secure connection is what enables the Twitch activity feed doc. If you're already connected, you're good to go. If the option seems unavailable, quickly disconnect and reconnect, then confirm the service is set to Twitch. Avoid sharing or pasting any sensitive keys on screen. The direct account connection is both safer and more convenient. Back in the main OBS window, go to the top menu and click View. This is where OBS manages its interface panels called Docs. Hover over Docs, then select Twitch Activity Feed. A new window will appear, usually as a floating panel. That's your live feed of Twitch events. You might see recent follows, subs, and raids right away if your account is connected and active. To make it part of your OBS layout, click and drag that new window toward the main interface. As you drag, OBS will highlight docking zones with a blue overlay. Drop it where it makes sense for your workflow, alongside your chat, above the mixer, or in a column on the side. You can resize the dock by grabbing its edges so it's readable at a glance without hiding important controls. If you have multiple monitors, consider docking it on the display where you monitor your stream, not the one where you capture gameplay. A few quick tips. If the Twitch activity feed doesn't appear in the docs menu, make sure your Twitch account is connected in settings and then restart OBS. Once you're happy with the layout, consider locking your docs so they don't move by accident. And if you ever close the panel, just revisit View, Docs, and turn Twitch activity feed back on. That's it. With the Twitch activity feed docked in OBS, you'll never miss a moment to acknowledge your community while staying focused on your stream.